The Samsung Galaxy A34 smartphone. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is go ahead and turn it on, press and hold that power button, wait till it boots up. You should be on this welcome screen. From here, choose your language. I'm good with English in the United States, so I will tap on start. It says insert SIM card to connect to a mobile network. You can insert your SIM card now, or you can do it after setup. For myself, I'll do it after setup, and then I'll make another video showing how to insert the SIM card. The link will be below in the description, okay? For your review, go ahead and read through these. You must at least check the first two in order to proceed, okay? The last one here is optional, but for myself, I'll just go with the first two. It's fine with me. I'm gonna tap on agree. Set up using another device. To copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet, keep it nearby and unlocked, okay? So if you want to do the setup another device, you want to click on one of these if you have a Galaxy phone or an Android device or an iPhone or an iPad, okay? But for myself, I want a nice clean install on this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip this for myself. Tap on skip right there. Choose a home Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go ahead and get on my Wi-Fi network, put in my password. After you put in the password, tap on connect. It says connected there. Getting your phone ready, this may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more, okay, from a different device. So if you want to do that, you simply tap on next right here, and you will need an old Android tablet or phone or iPhone or tablet, okay? So if you want to go ahead and transfer your apps and all that from a different device, bring it over, make sure it's unlocked, tap on next, okay? But for myself, I want a clean install. I'm going to click on back, and I will click on don't copy for myself. This is going to be a clean install. Now they want you to sign into your Google account, which is basically your Gmail, so you can go ahead and sign in, or you can create an account, or you can skip. For myself, I'm going to skip, and I'll sign in later, okay? Google services, read through these, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, okay? These are all optional, okay? So it's up to you, okay? For me, I'm fine with having all three toggled on. I will tap on accept. Protect your phone. This is where you can put a password in. I would advise not to skip this. Put something in, okay? For me, I'm just going to do my PIN right now. PIN password. And now let me choose my PIN here. And then I'll tap on continue. And I'm going to have to reconfirm one more time. Now I'll tap on OK. After setup's complete, you can always go back into the password, and then you can register like a Face ID and a fingerprint password as well. Here they're asking you to sign into your Samsung account, so you can go ahead and sign in or create an account, or you can skip and sign in later after setup, or never sign in. Up to you. Samsung services, go ahead and read through these. Okay, these are all optional, so it's up to you. For myself, I'm fine with having all of them toggled on. I will tap on agree. Choose your display preference. Do you like it light or do you like it dark? For myself, I like it dark, and I will tap on next. You're all set up. I'll tap on finish right there. And voila, we are in business. And you want to know how to insert the physical SIM card, look in the link below in the description, okay? Good luck, guys.